Despite a long and sometimes tragic history of invasion and resistance, this thriving business capital has poetry, music and literature percolating through its cobblestones. Dublin's ancient streets are compact enough to explore on foot or by bicycle. The River Liffey separates the city into two neat halves. It is crisscrossed with historic bridges, many of which are tributes to Dublin's finest moments and heroes. Dubliner Oscar Wilde once said, "Life is too important to be taken seriously." While Dublin proudly honours its past, it is equally passionate about enjoying Nowhere is life celebrated more than in the city's nearly 700 pubs.